Oh, dakil nga chocolate Tatan George.
Do
Why
I
not?
take a bite?
Ikaw, gusto mo?
Can I take a bite? It's gonna spill.
Ayan. Oo. Anong lasa? Sweet?
Yeah. So you can put a hole in it.
That's big chocolate. Ha? Ooh! Mayroong gold inside, Iwan. Wow, nice.
This one is Dubai. This one.
Dubai chocolate din?
This one.
Wow. Sige nga, tingnan mo, masarap yung Dubai chocolate na yan. Mm. Bigyan mo rin si kuya. Mm. Ayan ha, ilaman ng itlog oh. Dubai chocolate guys. Mm. Oh, yeah.
Mag-sauce ka. Go.
Kung siya excited egg hunting siya ngayon. Easter egg. Nag-hide si ate ng Easter egg. Egg hunting siya. Okay, go, hunt.
Where's the thingy?
Oh. Oh,
Do I
just,
still have to do the... Oh.
hunting in the house, egg hunting. Uy! Uy, see that? Here.
Where?
Yun. Uy.
Found it. Oh, this one.
How many?
Yay.
Ha? Uy, 4. Got 4. Uy, iba ba? Uy. Uy! Uy! Alam niya ang ginagawa niya. Kung saan tinago ni ate yung oh, doon naman daw siya.
Which is...
Uy, baka mukhang maraming egg na tinago si ate ha. Uy.
Tapos dalhin mo ulit yan sa...
Oh, meron dyan. Uy, parang alam mo na agad ha.
Because
Ha?
I just feel like it because of the clues.
The close?
Yeah, the clues help me.
Oh.
There's one over here. I found.
Uy, naghahanap doon si mami.
Wait, mommy, don't help me. uh, oh, I found one.
Oh! Oh, that's big! There's more? Saan?
Yes, I believe.
Ha?
Oh, what's in there?
Oh, anong laman ng egg na malaki? Let me see. The big egg?
The big egg. Oh, wait.
I guess there's more. Lagay mo muna dyan.
Well, I'll just...
Say cheese! Good.
Oh, I found some.
You found some? Uy. Uy.
Oh.
Maraming egg ngayon si Superman. Uy, meron pa dyan?
Yeah.
Oh, there's everywhere. Baka sa bag ni mami, meron pa. Meron pa dyan?
I can see something.
You can see something?
Oh,
Here.
that's a lot.
Where?
Ayun ah.
Oh!
Oh, it's in the tree, man. Look at that. May itlog din yung tree.
Ow!
Ha? Tingnan natin. Meron? O nothing? Oh, wala sa kabila. Meron dyan sa may kwan. Aloe vera. Uy! Uy! That's Easter egg? Eh, tignan mo. Baka Easter egg yan. Yan. Oh.
Oh!
Let me see that. Let me see.
Jackpot.
Jackpot! Tabi ka! Ha? Jackpot daw yung isa. O, picturean kita sa may jackpot. Sechi! Meron pa dyan? Oh, let me see. Meron ka pa dyan? May nakuha ka? Oh, meron pa. Uy! Uy! Ha? Diyan, sa may, dito, sa may upuan dito. Wala? O, doon, the other one. Oh, sometimes sa ati puti there. Wala?
What?
Yun! Uy! Uy! This one. Uy! Uy!
Oh, I saw something fast.
Oh, ito yung man, oh. Ito, meron ito. Look. This one. Ayan, baka may egg dyan. Uy! Yun! Ang dami, oh! Oh! Yun! This one! Oh!
We got some eggs!
Ha?
Is it cold or is it
Oh!
hot?
Ha?
Yes.
Totoo palang itlog yan. Totoo palang itlog to, guys, oh. Oh, yan. May nakatago pa pala dyan, oh. Iman, oh. There. Oh. Oh, ito pa. Iman. Oh, yan, oh. Ito, red.
This way?
Oh, no, bumbilya. That's bulb. May basket ka na. Wow. Ayun, oh. Mm. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh, I'm good.
Sorry, mommy's plant.
Ayan, nakuha mo na?
I found some!
You found some?
The vitamins.
Oh, yun. Uy.
A vitamin a day keeps the vitamin away.
Meron pa?
I feel like. There's
Oh.
one more! There's one more! Oh. Hold. Oh, thank you.
Good boy. Oh, mayroon pa dyan?
Yeah. I knocked that one down. Cool.
Iman.
Back.
Mayroon pa.
Oh.
Oh, I guess that's it.
Okay.
Here. Oh, take a look that one. Wala? Ayan, open it. Under. Oh! Ayan. Ah,
Egg.
egg.
Yeah, that's definitely an egg. Definitely an egg.
Oh, wala na.
It's
Dito, ito.
actually an egg.
Diyan, sa may bottom. Wala?
Nope.
No? Oh, yan.
I found a big one.
Oh, anong laman ng mga Easter egg mo?
Just some chocolate and eggs
Oh,
inside.
ano yung chocolate na yan? Uy, Dubai chocolate. Wow.
A chicken.
Uy, Ferrero.
Can I
Ayos ah, Dubai chocolate guys ang nakuha niya. Wow. Hmm.
can you? This one's impossible.
Ito na lang chocolate super naman ha. Wow, ate working hard for your Easter egg hunting ha.
The big one, mayroong laman.
Yeah, this
Ah.
this.
Uy. Oh, Easter egg din pala yan ha. Oh.
Huh?
Yan ang chocolate ni Super Iman. Ferrero tsaka Dubai chocolate pala yun eh. Ah.
Side of the big one.
Okay, open it.
Okay. Oh, that big one. Wait.
Oh, that's a lot. Oh, dakil nga chocolate tatan George. Why not? Ikaw, gusto mo?
Can I take a bite? It's gonna spill.
Ayan. Oo. Anong lasa? Sweet?
Yeah. So you can put a hole in it.
That's big chocolate. Ha? Ooh! Mayroong gold inside, Iwan. Wow, nice.
This one is Dubai. This one.
Dubai chocolate din?
This one.
Wow. Sige nga, tingnan mo, masarap yung Dubai chocolate na yan. Mm. Bigyan mo rin si kuya. Mm. Ayan ha, ang laman ng itlog oh. Dubai chocolate guys. Mm.